If you are over 50, the most damaging thing in your bathroom is probably not the product you think. It is not the one you forgot to use. It is the expensive anti-aging one you use every single day, the one that is quietly drying out, irritating, and thinning the exact skin it promised to firm. Here is what changes after 50, and almost no brand will tell you. Because the truth does not sell $90 serums. Your skin makes less oil. It loses collagen and elastin faster. Its barrier, the wall that keeps moisture in and irritation out, gets thinner and slower to repair. Which means the harsh actives, the drying alcohols, the heavy fragrance that your skin shrugged off at 30 now cause real, visible damage at 55. So the number one rule of anti-aging after 50 is not fight harder. It is stop hurting your skin. The wrinkles people blame on age are often inflammation and dehydration, things the wrong product causes and the right one reverses. This video is 7 anti-aging traps to avoid over 50, the specific formulas and the brands that sell them, and 3 brands you can trust completely. All dermatologist-backed. At least one of these 7 is on the shelves of nearly everyone watching. Let's start with number 7. No sponsorships, no affiliate links. Nobody paid for this. Avoid number 7, the fragrance trap. This is less one brand than a whole category. The beautifully packaged, heavily perfumed luxury anti-aging creams. The ones that smell like roses or expensive nothing. Here is the problem. Synthetic fragrance is the single leading cause of cosmetic contact dermatitis allergic skin reactions. And the components that trigger it, limonene, linalool, geraniol, citronellol, benzyl salicylate, show up near the top of a lot of prestige creams. The EU legally requires 26 of these fragrance allergens to be labeled because the risk is that well established. Now layer in age. A thinner, slower repairing barrier after 50 is far more likely to react and to sensitize over time. So a cream that smells luxurious can be quietly triggering low-grade inflammation every day, and chronic inflammation is one of the real drivers of visible aging. The fix is simple and free. Turn the box over. If fragrance or parfum is high in the list, or you see a cluster of those allergen names, it is the wrong cream for mature skin. Beautiful smell. Wrong product. Avoid number 6, and this one is iconic, which is exactly why it is dangerous. The St. Ives Apricot Scrub. This is a physical scrub built on crushed walnut shell powder. And here is the precise truth, because precision matters. In 2016, customers sued Unilever, claiming the jagged shell fragments cause microtears in the skin. That lawsuit was dismissed. The court ruled there was not enough proof of harm. So I am not going to tell you it is proven to scar you. But the dermatology consensus is far less divided. Multiple dermatologists describe walnut shell scrubs as too harsh for facial skin. One famously compared it to sandpaper on your face, because the irregular particles can create tiny tears that disrupt the barrier. Now apply that to skin over 50. Your barrier is already thinner and slower to heal. Physical abrasion is the last thing it needs. There is a better tool for the same goal, a gentle chemical exfoliant, a low-strength lactic or mandelic acid that dissolves dead cells without scrubbing. Retire the scrub. Your 55-year-old skin is not the same skin that could take it at 20. Avoid number 5, the alcohol trap. The astringent toners. The deep clean, pore tightening, refreshing liquids that leave your face feeling tight and squeaky. That tight, squeaky feeling is not clean. It is stripped. These toners are often built on denatured alcohol or SD alcohol high. In the formula, a drying solvent that pulls the natural oils right out of your skin and can damage the barrier with daily use. At 20, with oily skin, you might get away with it. After 50, when your skin already makes far less oil, this is pouring accelerant on dryness. It creates exactly the tight, crepey, dehydrated look people then buy more product to fix. Skin over 50 does not need an astringent toner at all. If you like the toner step, use a hydrating 1 glycerin, hyaluronic acid, no high alcohol. The job of a toner at your age is to add moisture, not strip it. Check where alcohol denat sits on the label. If it is near the top, put it down. Avoid number 4, the wrong aisle trap. Using drying acne products as anti-aging products. This happens constantly. Skin over 50 can still break out hormones shift in menopause, so people reach for the acne systems they remember. The benzoyl peroxide kits. The strong salicylic and clay astringent lines built to strip oil out of teenage skin. Those products are engineered to do one thing: remove oil and dry out a blemish. On low oil, thinning, mature skin, that is a disaster. You get redness, flaking, a compromised barrier, and ironically more visible lines because dehydrated skin shows every wrinkle. If you get adult breakouts, the answer is not a teenager's acne system. It is a gentle approach azelaic acid, a low-strength retinoid your dermatologist recommends, or a mild leave-on-bas used sparingly, always with a barrier moisturizer on top. Treating mature menopausal skin like oily teenage skin is one of the most common and most damaging mistakes after 50. Match the product to the skin you have now, not the skin you had then. Avoid number 3, the empty promise trap. The collagen creams that promise to rebuild what age took away. This is the one that targets people over 50 most directly, because losing collagen is the real frightening thing that happens to aging skin. So a jar that says collagen feels like the cure. Here is the science. The collagen molecule is far too large to penetrate the skin and become part of your own collagen network. Slathered on top, it works as a basic surface moisturizer, nothing more. It does not rebuild the collagen in your dermis. The things that genuinely stimulate your skin to make its own collagen are retinoids, vitamin C, peptides, and sun protection, none of which require the word collagen on a premium jar. So you are often paying a luxury markup for a moisturizer wearing a science costume. I am not naming one brand here because dozens do it. The trap is the claim itself. Avoid number 2, Mario Badescu's drying and heavily fragranced lines used the wrong way on mature skin. And I want to be fair and specific here. Mario Badescu is a long-standing brand with some genuinely loved products. But 2 things matter for skin over 50. First, several of its hero products are built on drying agents alcohol, calamine, fragrance designed as spot treatments to dry out blemishes, not as full-face anti-aging care. On thin, dry, mature skin used broadly, that is irritating. Second, and this is documented public record, the brand faced legal action and scrutiny over certain creams that were found to contain an undisclosed steroid, hydrocortisone, not listed clearly for what it was. Steroids can temporarily calm skin and then cause rebound problems, and thinning with prolonged use and thinning skin is the last thing you want after 50. So the caution is specific. Avoid the drying, fragranced, and spot treatment formulas for daily mature skin use, and be wary of any miracle calming cream whose results seem too fast. Read the full ingredient list. And avoid number 1, the most damaging trap of all after 50, overactivating. Doing too much, too strong, all at once. This is the high percentage at home acid peels, the 25 and 30% glycolic kits, the strong TCA peels people buy online to resurface. And it is the stacking culture, layering vitamin C, then an AHA, then a BA, then a retinol, every night. Because more actives must mean younger skin. The skincare smoothie trend that brands built whole lineups around made this normal. For resilient young skin, occasional overdoing it recovers. For skin over 50, with a thin, slow healing barrier, this is how you get chronic redness, stinging, peeling, and accelerated visible aging. You are not resurfacing, you are wounding skin that can no longer bounce back. Dermatologists have a name for the fix: a reset. Pause all the harsh actives. Go back to gentle cleanser, barrier moisturizer, and sunscreen for 2 to 4 weeks until your skin calms. Then reintroduce one active, usually a low-strength retinoid slowly, a few nights a week. After 50, the winning anti-aging strategy is restraint. The person doing 3 actives a night looks older than the person doing 1, done right. Now the 3 brands you can actually trust. Trust number 3, La Roche-Posay. This is the pharmacy brand dermatologists reach for when skin is sensitive, reactive, or aging exactly the over 50 profile. The Tolerion line is fragrance-free and built around barrier repair, ceramides, niacinamide, and their thermal spring water to calm inflammation. And their Anthelios sunscreens are some of the most dermatologist-recommended SPFs for mature skin, which matters because sun protection is the most powerful anti-aging step there is. One honest note, because this channel does not hide things, La Roche-Posay is owned by L'Oréal, the same parent company behind the benzene in acne product story I have covered. That issue was specific to certain benzoyl peroxide products, not this barrier and sunscreen range, which is genuinely well formulated for mature skin. Buy the Tolerion and Anthelios lines with confidence. Trust it. Trust number 2, The Ordinary. After everything we just covered about overactivating, this might seem like a strange pick, but it is the opposite of the trap when used right. The Ordinary's whole model is single, transparent ingredients at honest prices, with no fragrance and no markup hiding behind the word collagen. That transparency is a gift for mature skin, because it lets you build exactly what your skin needs and nothing it does not. A low-strength granactive retinoid to stimulate your own collagen gently. Peptides for firmness. Hyaluronic acid and a mild lactic acid for hydration and soft exfoliation. Each one is a few dollars, fragrance-free, and you control the routine. The one rule, do not stack them all at once. That is the overactive trap. Introduce one. Low and slow. Used with restraint, The Ordinary gives you dermatologist-grade actives for the price of one luxury jar. Trust it. And trust number 1, CeraVe, for barrier repair, which is the single most important thing for skin over 50. This is the gold standard, and dermatologists recommend it more than almost anything else. The reason is the formula, 3 essential ceramides plus hyaluronic acid, in a delivery system that releases hydration over hours. It is fragrance-free, gentle, and it does the one job mature skin needs most: rebuild that thin, leaky barrier so moisture stays in and irritation stays out. Their skin-renewing line adds peptides and a gentle retinol for firming. Now, the same honesty as before, CeraVe is also L'Oréal-owned, and it is the brand named in the benzene acne product lawsuits I covered. That issue is specific to their benzoyl peroxide acne washes, not the ceramide moisturizers, cleansers, and barrier creams, which remain genuinely excellent and dermatologist-trusted for mature skin. For under $15, the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is the safest, smartest anti-aging foundation you can buy. Trust it, and skip the acne line. Tell me in the comments what anti-aging product you are using right now. See you in the next